friends! I'm Sia. Guess what? Today we're learning something fun. The days of the week. There are 7 days in one whole week. Let's learn them together. Sunday is the day we rest and relax. I like to read books and spend time with my family. Monday is the first day of the week. I get ready and do something new. Tuesday is great for helping at home. Today, I water our little plants. It's Wednesday, we're halfway through the week. I build towers with my blocks. Thursday is tidy up day. I put my toys back where they belong. On Friday, we do something fun. I help Mommy bake yummy cookies. Saturday is a play day. I blow bubbles and run around outside. Let's remember the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's 7 days. Each day is special in its own way. Thanks for learning with me today, friend. What day is it today? Maybe you can ask your grown-up. See you next time. Bye-bye. The end. Subscribe to Bright Beans Learning for more stories with Sia.